Welcome back to CarWow 787, the home for every car lover who craves speed, style, and innovation. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the hottest car reviews and futuristic auto updates. Now, let's dive straight into something special, the 2026 Mazda CX-50, a compact SUV that's not just redefining Mazda's design language, but also setting new standards for performance, luxury, and technology in its class. Mazda has always been known for its Kodo design philosophy, which emphasizes the beauty of motion even when the car is standing still. The 2026 CX-50 takes that philosophy to a whole new level. With its wider stance, sculpted lines, and aggressive proportions, this SUV gives off a powerful and confident presence. The front fascia has been reworked with a sharper grille, new adaptive LED headlights, and an overall sleeker silhouette that screams elegance with a hint of sportiness. From the side, the long hood and short overhangs make it look like a blend between a luxury crossover and a sports coupe. Mazda has gone for a more muscular and rugged vibe, giving it that adventure-ready edge. And when you look at the rear, those slim taillights, the dual exhaust outlets, and the subtle spoiler, everything ties together perfectly. It's stylish, it's tough, and it's definitely going to turn heads on the road. Let's talk interior. Now, let's move inside, because this is where Mazda has done some serious magic. The 2026 CX-50 interior feels like stepping into a boutique lounge. Soft-touch materials, stitched leather on the dash and doors, aluminum accents, and even optional wood trims, everything is crafted to perfection. Mazda is pushing towards the premium market, and it's obvious the moment you sit inside this SUV. The seats are redesigned with better lumbar support and new padding technology for long drives. You can choose from multiple upholstery options including high-grade leather and even eco-friendly materials. The driver-focused cockpit is one of Mazda's signature strengths. Everything from the steering wheel to the infotainment controls is intuitively positioned. Speaking of tech, the 2026 CX-50 comes loaded. The centerpiece is a 12.3-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Mazda's new connected drive interface. The system has been updated for faster response and smoother graphics. There's also a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a full-color head-up display, and an optional Bose 12-speaker surround system that turns every drive into a concert. Mazda didn't just stop at luxury and tech, they've improved what really matters, the driving experience. Under the hood, the new CX-50 offers a 2.5-liter turbocharged i-Activ G engine producing around 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when running on premium fuel. For those who prefer efficiency, there's also a hybrid version. Co-developed with Toyota, which combines a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor, giving you an estimated 38 miles per gallon combined. That's impressive for a crossover this size. Both versions come with Mazda's i-Activ all-wheel drive system as standard, and it's tuned for precision handling. The G-Vectoring Control Plus system continues to adjust torque delivery for smoother cornering and better stability. Whether you're driving through city streets, wet highways, or off-road trails, the CX-50 feels confident and composed. Mazda has also reworked the suspension setup, making it more adaptive and comfortable without compromising sporty responsiveness. The steering feedback is sharper, braking is more controlled, and the ride quality feels incredibly refined. It's like Mazda has finally found the perfect balance between excitement and comfort. Now, when it comes to safety, Mazda has pulled out all the stops. The 2026 CX-50 features the latest version of i-Activ Sense Safety Suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and even a 360-degree camera system. There's also traffic jam assist and driver attention alert, which help make daily commuting safer and easier. In terms of practicality, the CX-50 shines. You get ample rear legroom, wide opening doors, and a large cargo space that easily fits camping gear, strollers, or luggage for a family trip. The split folding rear seats expand the storage area dramatically, and the low loading height makes it convenient for everyone. Mazda's engineers have also focused on noise insulation. Thanks to acoustic glass and improved door seals, the cabin remains whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Combine that with the new panoramic sunroof and ambient lighting, and you've got a cabin that's both relaxing and luxurious. Now let's talk about price and availability. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 is expected to start around $31,000 for the base model and go up to $43,000 for the top-of-the-line trim with all the luxury features. The hybrid variant might carry a slight premium but will pay off in the long run with better fuel economy. Mazda plans to launch it in early 2026, with bookings opening in select markets soon after its global debut. Overall, the Mazda CX-50 2026 represents everything we love about the brand: sleek design, sharp handling, top-tier build quality, and attention to detail that rivals luxury automakers. It's bold, refined, and ready to take on the best from Toyota, Honda, and Hyundai. And that's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mazda CX-50 2026, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CarWow 787, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the new CX-50? And which car should we review next? Thanks for watching CarWow 787, where cars meet passion and innovation. Until next time, stay tuned, stay fast, and drive safe.